Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 40i and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we will start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because there you will be transferred to our website where you can find all of the codes I'll present you today with additional explanation, but also many more like tutorials regarding this device, for example, connected with the hard reset or soft reset. Alright, so let's dive into the secret codes. Let's open the dialer and enter the first code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we're provided with both the main numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##. And as you can see, we're in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let's open the diagnostic mode. It is *##426#*##. And there we've got the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected and the sign-in level. We can also tap on events and there we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also show advanced view. Just make sure that it is marked and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information, so for example the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you also another code, and I believe the last code for today's video. It is *##4636###. And there we've got the testing mode, so we can check the phone information, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info, so just tap on it. You can check the API configuration and also the status. We can refresh the stats and check the information just like the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let's go back. We've got the usage statistics, and basically usually here we've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently ongoing on the device, and the phone information where you can check the phone info, email number again, roaming, voice service, etc. You will be able to check the information if you will have your SIM card inserted. You can also run ping test here, and after tapping on the three dots icon you can view SIM address book or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.